Hi guys, my name is Eric Gurentz, and this is my intro video. A little bit about me. I went to Pittsburgh State University. I graduated from there in 2010. I am currently a sixth grade teacher at Overland Park Elementary. I started here as a fifth grade teacher, then was moved to the fourth grade, and now in sixth. I teach one section of math, one section of reading, and three sections of ancient history. It's a really fun school to be a part of. We have a good team, and we are part of the Shawnee Mission School District. Hypertext, for me, I had to look it up, make sure I was 100% certain of what we were talking about. So that kind of shows you how experienced I am in using hypertext and hypermedia in the classroom. I have not used it in the classroom on purpose or within a project. Hopefully, after this class, I'll have the skills and knowledge to do so. To me, hypertext is a quick way to get to the next step. Maybe you're reading an article and you can click the name of a person, find out more information about that person, or if it's related to a game, maybe find some season-long stats that they have been keeping up with. But to me, it's just something that you keep getting deeper and deeper into the information you're looking for. And I'm really excited to learn more about it.